I say salvation, consider Baba Vishwanath. I say strength, consider Ma Durga. I say death, consider Kal Bhairav. Kashi, city of temples. There are thousands of temples in Kashi. Among them, Kashi Vishwanath Temple, New Vishwanath Temple, Durga Kund Temple, Sankat Mochan Temple, Kal Bhairav Temple, Annapurna Temple, Bharat Mata Temple, Nepali Hindu Temple, and Vishalakshi Temple are prominent. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. This temple is the 9th of 12 Jyotirlings and is also called the Golden Temple. The present temple was built in 1780 by Queen Ahilyabai Holkar. In 1739, the ruler of Punjab, Punjab Kesari Maharaj Ranjit Singh, donated 1000 kg of gold to get the two peaks of this temple decorated with gold. In the temple of Baba Vishwanath, Aarti is done 4 times a day with morning Aarti. It's believed that the virtue of water offered on Monday is more. Especially on the Monday of Sawan, Jalabhishek has its own significance. For golden umbrella above the temple, it's believed that if a wish is sought after seeing it, it is definitely fulfilled. New Vishwanath Temple. It's said that once Malviyaji worshipped Baba Vishwanath. Then in the evening he saw a giant idol, which ordered him to establish Baba Vishwanath. Malviyaji, following the orders of Bhole Baba, started the construction work of the temple. But due to illness, he could not get it completed. Then, knowing the intention of Malviyaji, industrialist Jugal Kishore Birla got the construction work done for this temple. The peak of this temple is highest in the world. Durga Kund Temple. This temple was built by the Queen of Bengal in the 18th century. The temple is also known as Durga Kund, which was earlier connected with the river Ganga. It is believed that the idol of goddess Durga Mata manifested itself here. In Navratri, Sawan, Tuesdays and Saturdays, this temple crowded by the devotees. Sankat Mochan Temple. This temple is one of the holy temples of Lord Hanuman. Sankat Mochan means one who defeats troubles and sorrows. Here Hanuman Jayanti is celebrated with great enthusiasm, during which a special Shobha Yatra is carried out which runs from the historic Durga temple adjacent to Durga Kund to Sankat Mochan. A wonderful feature of this temple is that the idol of Lord Hanuman has been installed in such a way that he is looking only towards Lord Ram. Every year in the month of April, there is a classical music and dance music festival called Sankat Mochan Sangeet Samaroh. Bhairav Temple. Lord Kal Bhairav is considered to be the form of the Lord Shiva who wears a garland of skulls. The name Kal Bhairav means death and fate. It is said that even death is afraid of Kal Bhairav. The door of the temple is guarded by Bhairav's vehicle, the dog. In the center of the courtyard is the main temple of Bhairava. His silver face adorned with flowers can be seen from the entrance to the inner sanctum. Annapurna Temple. Annapurna Mata is considered to be the mother of the 3 worlds. It's said that she herself had fed Lord Shiva. This is what Adi Shankaracharya wished to attain enlightenment by creating Annapurna's throat. Bharat Mata Temple. This temple is not dedicated to any god but is built for Mother India. And there is no statue of Mother India in this temple. The map of India has been carved on white marble of Makrana. The temple is built on 5 pillars which represent the 5 basic elements of creation. It's earth, air, fire, water and sky. Nepali Hindu Temple. This magnificent temple is a replica of the famous Pashupatinath temple in Kathmandu. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, this 19th century temple was built by King Rana Bahadur Shah of Nepal. A speciality of this temple is that its sculptures are similar to the monuments of Khajuraho. Vishalakshi Temple. This temple is an important temple dedicated to Shakti Peeth. The idol of goddess has big eyes in this temple, hence called Vishalakshi. If you liked this video, please like and share it and subscribe to the channel.